In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter lists in Adalo. Start by opening your browser and searching for Adalo. Head to the official site and open your project. This ensures you're working in the correct environment where your app and data live. Log into your account, then navigate to the app that contains the list you want to filter. Open the specific screen where the list appears so you can adjust its settings in context. Click the list component on the canvas to select it. When it's selected, look to the left side settings panel. You'll see the data options that define which collection the list is showing. Make sure the list is connected to the right collection, because your filter will only apply to records in that data source. In that same panel, find the filter section. By default, it typically reads All Collection Name, which means every record from that collection is eligible to appear, aside from any visibility or sorting you may have configured elsewhere. To narrow the results, click Add Custom Filter. This creates a filter rule you can configure without changing your underlying data, which keeps your app clean and maintainable. First, choose the database property you want to filter by. Common choices include fields like status, category, owner, or any custom property you've created. You'll see text, number, date, Boolean, and sometimes relationship fields. Pick the property that best describes how you want to limit what shows in the list. Next, select an operator. Use equals for an exact match, such as status equals published. Choose includes to match partial text inside a field. Use is greater than or is less than for numbers and dates. Handy for ranges like price is greater than 10 or created date is less than today. For yes/no fields, select is true or is false to filter by a simple toggle, like featured is true. Finally, enter or select the value to match. Depending on the property type, you'll type text, pick from a drop-down, select a date, or enter a number. As soon as you set the value, the list updates instantly in the editor so you can confirm it's working. If nothing appears, double-check that there are records meeting the criteria and that the operator matches the field type. A quick tip: choose operators that fit the data. Equals is precise. Includes is more flexible. For numbers and dates, consider edge cases like greater than versus greater than or equal. When the list looks right in the editor, you're done. The same filtering will apply in preview and in your published app.